All right, so be honest. How many LinkedIn connection requests did you send last week that just got completely ghosted? Like you spent all this time personalizing messages and nothing. It's brutal, right? What if people just started reaching out to you instead? That's what I want to show you. This is Connect Safely. And basically, what we do is make you visible on LinkedIn in all the right places, so your ideal clients actually discover you before they even need to buy. It's like, instead of knocking on 100 doors, you're the person they're already looking for when they're ready. Does that make sense? Let me just show you how it works. Okay, so first thing, you connect your LinkedIn account here. Then you tell it who you want to reach. Like, let's say I'm targeting CEOs and founders. I just add those titles right here. Then I add some keywords about what I do, maybe sales automation, or whatever's relevant to my business. Pretty straightforward. Now watch this. The system goes out and finds recent posts from people with those exact titles, talking about those exact topics. And then it comments on them. But, and this is important, it's not leaving spam comments like, great post. It's actually writing personalized stuff based on how you write. So you can train it on your writing style and it'll sound like you, which means you're showing up in these decision makers' feeds looking like an actual expert, not a bot. And you're not spending 3 hours a day doing this manually. All right, feature number 2. This one's honestly my favorite because it's super targeted. See, there are probably specific people you want to build relationships with, right? Maybe there's an industry influencer or like actual prospects you're trying to get in front of. You just grab their LinkedIn profile URL, just copy and paste it and add it here. Now here's what happens. We literally watch their profile. And the second, they post something, you're commenting on it with something relevant, something thoughtful in your voice. Think about it. You're constantly popping up in their notifications, not in an annoying way, but in a, oh, this person clearly knows their stuff way. So when they need what you sell, you're already the first person they think of. It's relationship building on autopilot. Last thing, and this solves a huge problem. You create this killer LinkedIn post, put real effort into it, hit publish, and then like 12 people see it. Super frustrating. So what you do is paste your post URL here. And we have this network. It's real people, not bots, who've agreed to engage with content. They'll come in and leave actual thoughtful comments on your post. LinkedIn's algorithm sees that engagement early and goes, okay, people like this. And it shows your post to thousands more people instead of just your immediate network. More eyes on your content means more profile views, more followers, more people sliding into your DMs asking about your services. So putting it all together, you're getting visible in the right conversations, you're building relationships with key people, you're getting way more reach on your own content. The people using this are getting anywhere from 10 to 20 actual qualified leads coming to them every month. Inbound. People who already know who they are, and they're saving like 8-10 hours a week because they're not doing all this stuff manually anymore. Oh, and one more thing. Everything we do is totally LinkedIn compliant. We're not doing anything shady that's going to get your account banned. It's just strategic engagement that LinkedIn actually wants more of. So yeah, if you're sick of cold outreach not working, just try it. We've got a free 30-day trial, no credit card or anything. Go to ConnectSafely.ai because honestly, your next client is already on LinkedIn. They just don't know you exist yet. Let's fix that.